Hello everyone, this is Bhagavan Iyer. I'm a financial consultant. I've been a long-term conservative investor and from last 2 years I wanted to get into trading as well. Towards this I explored many courses. Some are good and some are not so good. Though these courses were able to make me understand the trading concepts, a clear methodology and approach to the trading was missing. That's when I came to know about KRMG through their online videos and Telegram channel. Usually we have seen many online and offline courses offering like fast track trading concepts and how we can make quick money and how we can become successful very fast. We all know this is not the case, but still many people fall for this trap and end up losing huge money. At KRMG, my initial experience itself was very unique. Before accepting me to their courses, the mentors wanted to do psychological assessment of me to understand my seriousness and my awareness about trading. For them, it was not the course, but the willingness of the person to understand the course, learn and implement the things. At KRMG, things are kept simple. I was able to learn about price action, its importance and how successfully we can use it for our trading. Many people don't understand the fundamentals of price movement, but this is the one which drives the whole market. Once you get clarity on that, you'll be able to do a lot of good trades. Another challenge I was facing was overthinking, maybe due to a lot of courses and techniques I got exposed to. As they say, no, too much is too bad. That was the case with me as well. Even though I knew the concepts very well, during the live trade I was making silly mistakes and resulting in a lot of losses. That's when KRMG helped me to tone down and help me keep focus on simple things and become a better trader. At KRMG, another thing we pay importance is the chart analysis. Usually for each concept, we'll be asked to prepare hundreds of charts so that each concept gets etched in the memory. With that, we'll be able to easily identify the price actions, structure changes, behavior, any gap analysis, and many other patterns so that we can easily make better trades. One more thing is to spending all your time during the analysis and keep it simple during live trades. Many people do it other way. They will just glance for the opportunities during the off hours and try to do too many things during the live trade. That's when they make a mess of the trade. By keeping this one thing simple, having a clear strategy during the before and doing the proper preparation, and simply follow the whatever you learned and implement during the live trade. That way success is bound to follow. Another point we have to appreciate is the cohesiveness and bonding of the KRMG family members. Here, each person helps other and make them understand the charts. Any clarifications for the trades will be provided, and they have huge patience to explain it in a simpler manner so that people learn. Here we have a lot of doubt solving sessions and monthly knowledge sharing sessions will be there. So that way the differentiator for KRMG is the learning is continuous. That way you are kept on your toes and it's our willingness and readiness to go all the way to become better traders. I am eternally grateful to Bhushanji and Gauravji for creating this Gurukul. True to its name, here the focus is to make a person a better trader, become successful, help others, and create financial literacy for all. Thank you.